Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your ride on the Lyft application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Lyft application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed with your credentials. Once you are logged in, you will be asked to enter your destination in order to start booking your ride. Once you enter your destination, you will see the various different options that you have for reaching your destination. Once you choose your preferred option, you will be able to tap on the confirm and request option. Once you tap on this button, you can proceed with your payment method, and once the driver has accepted your request, you will be taken into the waiting screen. Within this page, you will find the driver information, and you can also talk with the driver by calling them. And within the same screen, you will also find the cancel button. You can simply tap on this button and your selected ride will be cancelled right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to cancel your ride within the Lyft application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.